Hey you guys, it's Shandera. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying German skincare. So it's an American trying German skincare. So I see all these videos on BuzzFeed with food, and on my old channel I used to do like all these videos with food, hence why, you know, pregnancy food, you know, I'm not gonna even go there. Anyways, I said, I should do it for skincare because you guys know I am a skincare enthusiast slash skincare artisan. I love skincare. I love buying skincare. I love doing things with skincare. So I decided let's do it with skincare. So we will be trying German skincare. We will be trying a German face mask since the botched German drugstore online botched my order and didn't give me a lot of German skincare. Okay, so Balea with a DM is a really popular drugstore brand in Germany from what I know. I have a friend on Instagram and she was telling me about their products. So they're really popular. They sell a lot of German skincare. Please, if you guys would like to leave a little bit more information about Balea, please leave it down in the comments below so I could pin your comment so everybody could know about Balea. Now I did, if I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. Y'all know I'm American. English first language. Okay, so it's all in German. I'm gonna do a close-up of the product. It's all in German. The only thing I see that I can understand is aloe vera and vitamin E. So this is what it looks like. If you can see, it's in German. Here is the bottom, here's the back of it. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh my God, it's just coming right out. So this is the swatch of the oh my God, no wonder they taped it. This is the swatch of the product. It's the swatch of the product. Let me turn the light up. Wow, that's much better. So that's the swatch of the product. You guys can see, can you see it? That's what it looks like. Okay, you guys, let's put it on my face. Okay, so I have a brush for this special occasion and we're going to go ahead and put it on our face. I also want to say this mask was $4.99. So yeah, it was. So if you guys know if that's the exact price of Balea in Germany, please let me know. I don't know. And first thing I do want to say is it smells like, it doesn't smell like, you guys know how American charcoal masks, the polyvinyl alcohol is potent. This one isn't as potent and it's a little more cooling than what a American charcoal mask would be. So the mask is on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, but I have some thoughts and we can compare and contrast this charcoal mask to an American charcoal mask for those who are just curious the difference. Is it the same thing? And I just want to say this for people who don't know, rules and regulations for skincare vary between country to country and there's a difference. So for instance, in American skincare, we believe in chemical exfoliations. We hate walnut scrubs. We think they cause damage to the skin and will rip your face off. And we don't believe, well, these are what most Americans believe who are really aka science-backed skincare people. That's what they believe in, chemical exfoliations. They don't believe in gold in skincare products and they're really concerned about the ingredients. Well, in other countries, specifically for India, people from India think walnut scrubs are miracles and they believe in walnut scrubs. People in countries like Dubai, Middle Eastern countries love gold in skincare products and they believe in the properties of gold. I am also a believer of that, whether y'all like it or not. That's just what I believe in. Those are my personal opinions. Also, people here in America believe that fragrances are bad and can cause irritations in skincare, whereas in other countries, people don't believe in that and chemical exfoliations can be bad as well. So that's just a minor detail of why I'm doing this, because I really enjoy trying skincare products from other countries. Hold on, can you guys see the difference? So if this was an American brand, this would literally, you wouldn't be able to see my skin at all. But with this one, you can see my skin and it still has a bit of coloring to it. It looks like literally like very gentle. I'm really shocked how gentle it is. So with that being said, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let it dry and then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're back and the mask is officially dry. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? Yeah, let's peel it. I already, side note, I'm not gonna even lie, I was getting it off my neck as we were going, so yeah. You guys know I've tried so many peel off masks, and this one came, you know what, I'm gonna leave all my thoughts for after we do the close-up and stuff. I'm just flabbergasted. My edges did not hurt when I took this off. Look at this, look how easy. This, let's just do the close-up. This is what it looks like. My face feels so soft and silky. Let me turn the light down. Yeah, so here is my cheek, here is my other cheek, here is my forehead, here is my chin. So what I am going to do is go get a damn towel and rinse the rest off, and we'll talk about it. I had a lot to say. I don't know where I want to begin, but I just want to say this. I'm probably going to say this in a lot of videos. So just be prepared for when we start this new series, because this is the new series we're starting on this channel. Be prepared for it to get repetitive. I'm going to try to concise my thoughts to keep this video short and not ranty, but I just want to say this first. We get done dirty here in America. I've been saying it for years. You know, a lot of people, specifically after I tried chocolate from the UK, the difference in texture and taste from UK chocolate is totally different than American chocolate. It's just more cocoa butter there and less and more sugar here and less sugar there. So when it comes to skincare, pretty much I guess it's the same thing. Y'all really want to kill us here in America, but I had nothing to say. You know, a lot of people here these days are really science-backed based skincare, and I'm all for that. But at the end of the day, you know, half of the skincare brands y'all like are being made at the same manufacturer. So you know what? I'm gonna just leave it at that, because I am not about to get messy in this video. I'm gonna just keep this G and all the way 100 with y'all. This is a really great product. I am shocked. Why we always get done dirty here in America? Why? Why we always get done dirty here? It never ceases to amaze me. The way they do us here in the US is beyond me. They charge us more, we spend more money, and then we get done dirty. This mask, but you know what? I think it's because we have more people in our, you know what? I'm not even about to go there. This mask is one of the best charcoal masks I've ever had. And normally when we do these reviews, I am literally peeling off the mask in pain. If you know my channel and you see my videos, you know every American charcoal peel off mask we've tried. Most of them are from American skincare brands. My face, oh, it hurts, oh, my edges. This one came off nicely, like my edges weren't ripping out. Like, look at, I still have my little edges. I am shocked at how wonderful this mask is. I am really disappointed in American skincare brands. Why is it, you know, it's so funny because we're in a new era with skincare where everything is gentle for the skin. You don't want to rub too hard. You don't want to do this too hard. Yet at the end of the day, this charcoal peel off mask from Germany is way gentler than the charcoal peel off mask we get here that literally rip off the skin. Like literally, I mean, I am shocked. Like, can't find it on Amazon. I am gonna leave a link down below where you could get this mask on Amazon, but I didn't know any of that. I bought this for $4.99. So if you are from Germany, let me know if I was gypped. German-drugstore.com, if I was gypped by them. But anyways, I do want to say this. Plus $20, $30, $50 shipping. But I just want to say this mask, not only when I peeled it off did it come off gently, it came off and my skin was super soft and hydrated under. It was a nice mask. I don't know if they watered it down or what they did, but this mask is really, I'm like really shocked. I'm literally looking at the ingredients and like, wow, it is shocking. The ingredients are in Latin, of course. Y'all know Latin ingredients, so you can read the ingredients. But I mean, this product is something that is so, I am so shocked to get a charcoal mask that was really enjoyable. It didn't feel too tight on the skin, and it didn't feel the need to make my skin feel like literally on fire. I really am going to give this mask a 5 out of 5. I'm shocked. I am shocked. I wasn't expecting too much. I was expecting something similar to what us Americans get, even though I know regulations depending on country to country differ. Even from state to state, regulations differ from city to city, county to county, but definitely from country to country, they are going to differ. And this is a total difference, you guys, in this and what we get here. I'm really going to be enjoying this new series of trying skincare products from around the world. I do have a few that I want to try because a lot of people on Instagram, you know, when I see their stories and their feed are hipping me to drugstore products from all sorts of countries. So, you know, I'm ready to get this going. Anyways, you guys, I really enjoyed the facial mask. I'm excited to try the creams from Germany, all other things from Germany. I am so excited. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried a German face peel off mask? If you haven't, you're really missing something. You will be amazed at the way it peels off, how it's not tight, how it's not, oh, I'm screaming, it's not ripping your face off. The way American peel off masks, they hug your skin. This one doesn't hug your skin. It just comes off nice, gentle. So yeah, I just want to reiterate that point. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Oh wait, okay, you guys, so let's talk about the skincare types who can use this product if you do decide to purchase it. In my personal opinion, I think it's gentle for all skincare types. Personally, oily skin will enjoy it. Normal to combination skin definitely will like it. Dry skin, sensitive, leaning skin, you guys may want to be careful due to the fact when I did apply the mask, my eyes were a bit watery because it gave off this strong scent of polyvinyl alcohol when I first put the mask on, but it did die down and it did have sort of like invigorating, cooling sensation. So you may want to be careful. But if you've ever had a struggle with applying American mask because they made your face more red and more inflamed, then you may want to give this one a try because it's not going to give you that redness and that inflammation to your skin if you have sensitive, dry, and combination skin. And it also leaves a protective moisture barrier on your skin after you've applied the mask. And the way I applied it, I didn't even need to rinse my face off. I could have just literally rinsed off my neck, my eyebrows, and my edges and been done with it and just layered. So this one is way less messier than the typical American mask. With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, and make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah!